There is a silent illness in our society, and it does not care about your career, your income, or your social position. This illness is called consumerism. It convinces people to chase happiness through possessions that often add no real value to life. The cost is heavy. Stress grows, working hours get longer, and the sense of freedom fades away. Many people live their entire lives running like a hamster on a wheel, waiting for retirement to finally breathe, only to realize they lost decades in the process. But there is a way out. The solution is called frugality. Frugality is not about being cheap or living without joy. It is about being intentional. It is the ability to choose wisely, to spend with purpose, and to save for the things that truly matter. In this message, we will explore 15 powerful habits of frugal people and how you can bring them into your own life. These are not just habits, they are keys that can unlock financial freedom and peace of mind. Habit number 1. Time is money. Imagine someone spending 3 hours driving around the city to save a few dollars on groceries. On paper they saved a little, but in reality they lost something far more valuable, their time. Time is the only resource we can never get back. A frugal person understands that sometimes paying a little more saves hours that can be used for learning, for earning, or for enjoying life. The wise choice is not always the cheapest, but the one that gives the best return on time and energy. Habit number 2. Pay yourself first. Most people get paid, cover their bills, buy what they want, and if anything is left they save it. But frugal people reverse the order. They save before they spend. Think of it like planting seeds. If you always eat the seeds and never plant them, you will never have a harvest. By putting aside a percentage of every paycheck, you create a future where your money works for you. Over time, this small habit becomes a powerful force for growth. Habit number 3. Surround yourself with frugal friends. Have you ever noticed how easy it is to spend money when everyone around you is spending? Friends invite you to expensive dinners, shopping trips, or luxury vacations, and it feels almost impossible to say no. But when your circle values saving, discipline becomes natural. A group of like-minded friends will cheer you on when you resist impulse buys and celebrate with you when you reach financial goals. Habit number 4. Automate your money. Self-discipline is easier when you remove the need to make daily decisions. Frugal people set up automatic transfers into savings accounts and automatic payments for bills. This way they never miss a payment, never pay late fees, and never forget to save. Automation turns discipline into a system. Habit number 5. Always compare prices. Let me share an example. Imagine 2 people buying the same phone. One rushes into the first store and pays full price. The other spends 15 minutes comparing options online and finds the same phone at a discount. The second person saves money not by being cheap but by being smart. The habit of comparing prices teaches patience, awareness, and value-based decisions. Habit number 6. Reduce takeout food. Food delivery seems harmless at first. $10 here, $15 there. But add it up over a year and it could be thousands. A woman named Mary decided to stop ordering food and cook at home. At the end of 12 months she had saved over $2,000. That money went straight into her savings account. Small daily choices can build up to massive results. Habit number 7. Be creative with gifts. Society tells us that love is shown with expensive jewelry, brand new gadgets, or designer items. But many of the most meaningful gifts are simple and personal. A handwritten letter, a homemade cake, a book that shaped your life. These gifts do not drain your wallet and often mean far more to the person receiving them. Frugality reminds us that thoughtfulness matters more than price tags. Habit number 8. Wait for discounts. Patience is one of the strongest financial weapons. Companies want you to buy now, to feel urgency, to fear missing out. But frugal people know that if you wait, most products go on sale. Waiting also gives you time to ask yourself if you really need the item. Many times the desire fades and you realize you saved money simply by waiting. Habit number 9. Separate needs from wants. Needs are the foundation of life: food, housing, clothing, health. Wants are extras that bring entertainment but are not essential. There is nothing wrong with wants, but problems start when people treat wants as if they were needs. Frugal people train themselves to ask before every purchase, is this a true need or just a passing desire? That one question can prevent years of financial struggle. Habit number 10. Track your expenses. Most people underestimate how much they spend. They think they know, but the numbers tell a different story. By writing down every expense, even the small ones, patterns appear. You start to see where money is leaking out of your life. And once you see it, you can fix it. What you measure, you can improve. Habit number 11. Carry only what you need. When your wallet is full of credit cards or cash, it is easy to spend without thinking. Limiting yourself to one or two options creates natural boundaries. Less temptation means fewer impulsive choices. Simplicity in your pocket leads to discipline in your lifestyle. Habit number 12. Plan your retirement early. Imagine two people of the same age. One starts saving at 25, the other waits until 45. Even if the second saves more each month, the first will often retire wealthier. Why? Because time multiplies money through compounding. Starting early gives your money decades to grow. It is never too soon and never too late, but the best time to begin is always today. Habit number 13. Sell what you do not use. Look around your home. How many things sit untouched for months or even years? Those items are silent money. By selling them online or in a garage sale, you not only earn cash but also free your space from clutter. Every sale is a step toward a lighter, more intentional life. Habit number 14. Build strong credit. Good credit is more than a number. It is a tool that can save thousands on loans, mortgages, and even insurance. Paying on time, keeping balances low, and avoiding unnecessary debt builds trust with financial institutions. And that trust opens doors to better opportunities. Habit number 15. Use public transportation when possible. Cars are convenient but expensive. Beyond the cost of purchase, there are repairs, fuel, insurance, and parking. Many frugal people choose buses, trains, or shared rides. This choice saves money, reduces stress, and even helps the environment. Living frugally is not about deprivation. It is about freedom. It is about saying no to the things that do not matter so you can say yes to the things that do. It is about taking control of your future instead of letting consumerism control you. At first it may feel difficult. People may question your choices. But over time the results speak louder than words. Less stress. More savings. A stronger sense of control. And most importantly, the freedom to live life on your own terms.